The deeper you go into the ocean, the less familiar reality becomes. Light disappears, pressure increases, and life begins to change in ways humans were never built to survive. At certain depths, your body wouldn't last seconds, yet something else lives there, perfectly adapted to the darkness. Most people think of the ocean as a single environment, but it's actually divided into extreme layers, each with its own pressure, temperature, and strange forms of life. Today, we're descending through 10 ocean depths, from the sunlit surface to the deepest trenches on Earth, exploring what happens at each level and the creatures that survive where humans cannot. Number 10. Sunlight Zone, 0 to 200 meters. This is the only part of the ocean where sunlight reaches far enough for plants to grow, supporting coral reefs, plankton, and most familiar sea life. While humans can dive here with equipment, pressure still increases quickly, and conditions become dangerous just beyond this zone. Number 9. Twilight Zone, 200 to 1,000 meters. Sunlight fades into a dim blue glow, and photosynthesis becomes impossible. Pressure here would collapse unprotected lungs, yet many animals survive by producing their own light through bioluminescence, using it to hunt, communicate, or avoid predators. Number 8. Midnight Zone, 1,000 to 4,000 meters. At this depth, total darkness takes over, and temperatures approach freezing. The pressure is hundreds of times greater than at the surface, but creatures like anglerfish and giant squids thrive, relying on extreme adaptations to survive in permanent night. Number 7. Abyssal Plain, 4,000 to 6,000 meters. Covering vast areas of the ocean floor, the abyssal plain is a cold, flat desert under crushing pressure. Life moves slowly here, feeding on organic material that drifts down from above in a constant rain of debris known as marine snow. Number 6. Hadal Drop-off, 6,000 to 8,000 meters. This is where the ocean floor begins to fracture into deep trenches. Pressure at these depths would instantly crush a human body, and only specially reinforced submersibles and uniquely adapted organisms can survive here. Number 5. Deep sea trenches, 8,000 to 10,000 meters. Among the most isolated environments on Earth, these trenches experience pressures thousands of times greater than at sea level. Despite the extremes, scientists have discovered living organisms that function normally under conditions once thought impossible. Number 4. Challenger Deep, nearly 11,000 meters. Located in the Mariana Trench, Challenger Deep is the deepest known point in Earth's oceans. At this depth, water pressure exceeds 1,000 times the pressure at sea level, enough to crush unprotected steel and instantly collapse a human body. Only a handful of specially engineered submersibles have ever reached this point, and even they risk catastrophic failure. Despite these conditions, scientists have still found small organisms living here, proving that life can exist under pressures once thought completely uninhabitable. Number 3. Pressure that destroys steel. Beyond the deepest mapped points, pressure becomes the dominant force shaping everything that exists. At these depths, water pressure can deform thick metal hulls, shatter glass, and exploit even microscopic structural weaknesses. This is why deep-sea exploration relies on spherical designs and reinforced materials, because a single flaw would result in instant implosion, leaving no chance for survival or rescue. Number 2. Life without sunlight. In the deepest parts of the ocean, life survives without sunlight, photosynthesis, or surface nutrients. Entire ecosystems depend on chemical energy released from hydrothermal vents, where superheated water, rich in minerals, erupts from the seafloor. Organisms here use chemosynthesis instead of photosynthesis, forming food chains completely independent of the surface world, a discovery that reshaped our understanding of how life can exist anywhere in the universe. Number 1. Depths humans still can't fully explore. Even with modern technology, much of the deep ocean remains unexplored and unseen. Extreme pressure, crushing darkness, and technical limitations make long-term exploration nearly impossible. These depths represent one of the last truly alien environments on Earth, a place where survival operates by rules completely different from those at the surface, and where new discoveries may still be waiting in total darkness. The ocean isn't just deep. It's layered with extremes that challenge everything humans understand about pressure, darkness, and life itself. Each descent reveals how quickly our world becomes unrecognizable, and how adaptable life can be in conditions we were never meant to endure. If this journey into the depths fascinated you, subscribe to Decade Data for more explorations into Earth's most extreme and mysterious environments.